What does a doggy do? What does a cat do? What does a cow do? What does a monkey do? Monkey? What does a monkey do? Does you throw her off when you start laughing?
Okay, I was laughing. Oh.
Okay, Joy, let's say some spell words. Can you say hat? Can you say bus? Can you say car? Can you say bird? You say bird?
Hey Jordan, and there were 3 little sitting on chairs.
3 little pigs.
Oh, what does a piggy do?
What does a piggy do?
What does a piggy do?
I do the cow again.
Oh, jeez. What is she? Not a puppet. Jordan, what does a cow do?
3 little what?
Jordan.
3 little what?
And then there were...
Bear.
Oh, bear.
Just bear.
Oh, okay. How about doggy? What's the doggy do?
What does a doggy do?
Are we repeating or is any more new animals?
No,
Hey
no.
Jordan, can you say, hey Jordan, look at me.
See, I don't
Can
know.
you say I love you?
Hey. No.
Nope.
No
Try again.
crackers for you.
Shadow.
Can you say Amy? Can you say Pappy?
Shadow.
Can you say Papayo?
Come here, you.
Can you say Mama? Can you say Mom? Can you say Dada?
Can you say Titi?
Can you say Kelsey? Can you say Kelsey?
Where's Kelsey?
Where's Kelsey?
That's Kelsey. No, she's tired.
Okay.
Okay. That's
That was a
enough.
good...
That was good. She says, that's enough. She says, that's enough.
Where's the birdie?
Bird.
Okay.
Birdie.